Welcome back, my little animals, and if you guys are new to this channel, hi, welcome. My name is AnaItzelmuniz, aka Ani, and today we are going to be completing this look for today. And of course I am wearing colored contact lenses. This is new to me, but so far I'm feeling the vibe. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started, but before we do, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment. Also share. Sharing is a good thing to do as well. But anyways, okay, let's go ahead and get started. So today I wanted to focus on doing some type of like simple smoky eye, and today I'm going to be using the Morphe palette. This is, I believe, the 350M palette, the Nature Glow Mattes. So I haven't used this in a while, that's why it kind of looks dusty, but we are going to use this today. This is what it looks like inside. What I went ahead and did was my brows off camera. I as well prepped my eyes for eyeshadows, and I used my Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow primer. This is what it looks like. If it catches it on camera, there we go. Okay, so one of the products that I am going to be using is my Miss Deer Quick Color Removal. This is a makeup brush dry clean sponge. I use this to go ahead and like remove any shadows from my brushes in order to continue using the brush. Okay, so starting off with like a simple light brown, I'm going to be using this color right here. Picking it up with a nice fluffy brush, tapping off the excess, and just start placing it where your crease is. Once we have this shadow placed on our eye, I'm going to go ahead and grab the sponge and swirl it around to remove that color. Once we go ahead and remove the color from the brush, I'm going to go back in and pick up a more chocolatey brown color. So I am going to use this color right here. Going in the same area. Perfect. Once we have enough shadow on our eyes, apply an even darker color. So first we'll clean the brush off. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up this color right here. Make sure to tap off the excess. We're placing it on the outer third of the eye. Once we have that placed, I'm going to go ahead and pick up a blending brush. We're just going to blend this out as much as possible. I'm grabbing one more color, going in with the same brush, just cleaning it off. I'm going to pick up this color right here placing it right in the center of the eye. Okay, so once these colors are placed on my eyelids, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Revolution Conceal and Fix in the shade Light Sand. And with this, I'm going to cut my crease. So picking up the concealer, I'm using like a flat brush like this. I'm just cutting my crease. Now this does not have to be perfect because we are definitely placing more colors over this. Okay, once we went ahead and cut the crease, I'm going to be picking up this shade right here, mixing it with this shade, and going over what we placed. Okay, once all these shades are placed, I'm going to go ahead and pick up a new brush. This is a brush I'm grabbing, and with this brush I'm going to be picking up this color right here. Placing it on the outer parts of the eye. And we're just moving towards the inner part of the eye. Now using this shade right here. I'm picking up a new brush. I'm going in with the same color and just doing detail working around the crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend it. Then we're going to go ahead and use the same brush that we used to pack on the lighter color. And we are going to use this color right here in the inner part of the eye. Just like that. Then we'll blend it again. Then I'll go ahead and do my eyeliner, lashes, and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look, guys. I'm very happy with the results and hopefully you guys are too. So before I get asked a ton of questions, what I am wearing on my lips actually is Morphe Guide Me lip liner and Buxom White Russian lip gloss. This is actually a perfect duo. I'm obsessed with this duo. This is like one of my go-tos. And lastly, for my contact lenses, I am wearing Solidica. I believe it is in Panama, the color, or Ipanema. One of those two, but you'll see it on their website. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.